Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of American Electric Power, or AEP. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. AEP is a major player in the energy sector, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their financial health and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AEP reported a revenue of $5.46 billion for the first quarter of 2025, which is a significant increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. AEP's revenue grew by $437.7 million compared to the same period last year. This growth is largely driven by a 12.3% increase in commercial load, reflecting strong demand in states like Indiana, Ohio, Oklahoma, and Texas. This demand is a key factor in their revenue boost.
And what about their profitability?
AEP reported GAAP earnings of $1.50 per share and operating earnings of $1.54 per share. The operating earnings, which exclude certain items, show a healthy increase from $1.27 per share last year, indicating improved operational efficiency and cost management.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 39s for AEP based on a survey of 5 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
AEP exceeded expectations with an operating EPS of $1.54, beating the forecast by 15 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their effective execution of strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies.
That's quite impressive. What does this mean for investors?
Beating the EPS forecast is generally a positive signal for investors, indicating that the company is performing better than anticipated. It often leads to increased investor confidence and can positively impact the stock price.
Strategic initiatives and capital investment. John, AEP has some ambitious plans for capital investment. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Certainly. AEP has outlined a $54 billion capital investment plan over the next 5 years. They've completed their anticipated equity needs through a $2.82 billion transaction for a minority equity interest in their transmission companies and a $2.3 billion forward equity offering. These moves are crucial for funding their growth and enhancing their power grid.
How does this impact their future growth?
These investments are aimed at expanding and improving their power grid, which is essential to meet the growing demand for electricity. AEP is also focusing on new generation resources, which will support their long-term growth and reliability goals.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about AEP's operational efficiencies and future outlook. What are the key highlights here?
AEP has achieved a 12.3% increase in commercial load, which is a continuation of last year's growth trend. They forecast an annual retail load growth of 8% to 9% over the next 3 years. This growth is supported by their strategic investments in distribution and transmission.
And what about their earnings guidance?
AEP has reaffirmed their operating earnings guidance for 2025, projecting between $5.75 and $5.95 per share. They also maintain a long-term growth rate of 6% to 8%, which reflects their confidence in sustained growth and operational efficiency.
CEO statements and company vision. John, what has AEP's leadership said about their performance and future vision?
Bill Fehrman, AEP's CEO, emphasized their commitment to delivering reliable and affordable energy. He highlighted their collaborative efforts with regulators to achieve balanced outcomes and their focus on enhancing reliability and customer service. This vision is central to their strategy and community support initiatives.
It sounds like AEP is well positioned for the future.
Indeed, their strategic focus and strong leadership provide a solid foundation for continued growth and success in the energy sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, AEP has delivered a strong performance in the first quarter of 2025, with impressive revenue growth and an EPS that exceeded expectations. Their strategic investments and operational efficiencies position them well for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing AEP's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AEP's performance in the comments below. Until next time.